I'm going to show you how my three boys are this. And they are what they are. And I'm going to just go off this a little bit. Lonzo does what he does, but he's very good at it. He make everybody better around him. You don't hear about these UCLA players till he go to UCLA, and then they all get drafted, and you don't hear about them no more. He go to Lakers, make Kuzma and everybody good. He go to New Orleans, make everybody good. Go to Chicago. Now you're talking about DeMar being the MVP and Zach, everybody doing good. That's what he does. Now, my crowd pleaser, to bring win or lose, you coming to watch him? Melo. When he came to Chino Hills, everybody want to watch now, 3 of them there. He go to Lithuania, you don't even know about Lithuania. He go to Australia, you don't even know about Australia. Charlotte Hornets, weak as hell. Everybody got to watch Melo. That's what he does. He going to put people in them seats, you're going to watch him. My best scorer is Jello. Jello better. So when he get to the league, if he played with his brothers, he would lead the league in scoring.